This project is built by North City Builders, which is the parent company of my own company, MOS Mechanical. It's here in Ratoath Village, County Meath. It's a development of 22 houses, a mix of 4-bed detached, 3-bed semi and 2 3-bed terraced houses.
It's a very special project for us. We're with MOS Mechanical and they'd be a huge Panasonic installer.
I started using Panasonic heat pumps 10 years plus now. Probably put in 5,000–6,000 at this stage in all our different developments for different builders.
They've used the Panasonic 7 kilowatt heat pumps here. They've combi cylinders inside where they're going to have water on demand all the time.
Panasonic believed in me as an installer. They believed that we could bring their product and brand to the heights in Ireland that they wanted to achieve. Their experience, their knowledge was second to none, and it has given us great ease and comfort in any development we've undertook.
If you use a heat pump, you get all your space heating and hot water all year round, and that's a much bigger saving. As the houses become more airtight and more insulated, space heating demand of the houses drops, but your hot water demand will be there all year round. It never changes.
The new regulations that were coming into Ireland put a heat pump system at the forefront, and which is now probably the first heating system that's thought about now to pass regulations.
So the gas we have in this particular unit is R32. That gas would have a GWP of 675. This time next year, if we were talking, we'll have what we would call a gas R290, which is propane, which has a GWP of 3. So we're getting to an area where the gases will have no impact on the GWP going forward in the future.
The announcements of the new propane systems, this is going to be a game changer for retrofitting for probably every fit.
It's about the customer having low running costs and a system they can rely on. But Mick does more than that, and the MOS Mechanical, they can service the units and maintain the units for the customer.
Being able to offer 7-year warranty was a deal breaker when I was able to walk up to a developer and say, your competitor that you're maybe considering maybe only offering 3 years, 5 years at a max, but here I am with a Panasonic brand that's well established and I can offer you 7-year warranty. And that says a lot about Panasonic in themselves, that they had confidence in their product.
Look, we're trying to help people, and we're making life easier for the engineers, architects and the builders. You know, the more information they can give the customer before they buy the house, the more information the customer will know and the less problems you'll have going down the road. The Smart Cloud gives the customer remote access to their heating system and the performance of the heating system over the whole year. It's great, they can see the real-time running costs, especially with the cost of electricity going up all the time, and gas and oil of course, because of the situation. It's good to know what you're actually running on a daily basis.
Being able to talk about a heating system that's so high-tech, but yes, easy to use, was something that really opened the eyes of the people that were coming in here. But now with this new unit, the K&L, this is going to be a big game changer for that sort of market.